Okay, I'm here at the beach. This is where I grew up. This is the island where I spent my whole life. Went surfing, did all kinds of crazy things. And they're tearing everything up. Tearing it up to build houses, elaborate houses, condos. And this is the first time I've been back in a long time, and I knew that this was happening. This is a tree. This is what's left of it so far. This is what is, it's a banyan tree. They're very rare now, and they spread out, but there's lots of room here. It's kind of like a ficus tree. I'm going to pan around and show you how much of it is already gone. Look at the size of this tree. Look at the size. I mean, this is just, imagine just imagine how many years it took for this tree to grow. And yes, I know that the roots go towards water supply. Okay, but over here, now I can't walk on these people's property, God forbid. That's where some of the tree was. That's already been taken out. I'm going to walk on there. Here's some roots here, all the way to here, all the way to there. This was all tree. All this area that's open up to the bushes. See, that's a stump of one. That's another stump in the distance. And, you know, this used to be all one big tree. I hope you can see it, but I think they're taking the whole tree down. The way these ficus trees grow, each one drops down a limb, and the limb grows roots into the ground, and it just keeps spreading and spreading and spreading, these big ficus trees, and they're beautiful, the banyan trees. And they're probably going to build a house here. And this just makes me want to actually throw up. Sorry. What is wrong with us? What is wrong with people in this, at least in the United States, that have to cut down every single tree they don't? In the town, this little resort town that I live in, everybody wants to take down trees. Trees. Kill trees. Trees. And nothing gets me more angry than taking down giant oaks. How long has it taken this tree? How many years has it seen? How many birds has it sheltered? And stupid human beings, for greed and profit and claiming territory and wanting to build some elaborate house, just come along in one foul swoop and cut it down. You people disgust me. Sorry, that's not my normal peaceful talk, but it just really upsets me. I mean, I'll show you. And this is what we call progress. I mean, look at this. Look at the shade. Look at the shelter that these trees give. You can see one off in the distance over there. And people come up with all kinds of excuses why they have to do this. This is another big elaborate home. Sorry if you people see this and you don't think that there's a problem with this. But I do. Look at that. These people, at least, they kept one or two on their property. All to build these big gaudy homes that are for most of Florida, if anybody knows. we have the most foreclosed houses, and they're all vacant, but yet they keep building these big, gaudy homes on the water. And I just don't understand. I don't understand humanity anymore at all. Turn back and you can see, I mean, this is the remnants of it, but this is the first time I've been back here in almost 2 years, and it's probably going to be the last time, because I can't stand it. I can't stand and think all this progress. This is progress. This was all trees. All trees. And now it's nothing. And this may look like it's still wild to you that don't know it. But it's not. And all this clearing out that they're doing, this is for houses. There's all markings. See, out in the distance you can see markings for these big homes that are going to go right on the water's edge. Sea turtles nest here. Birds. All kinds of animals. And people have to build disgustingly gaudy, greedy, superficial homes. And then when the hurricanes come and wash them out, everybody wants to give them special aid to pay for the damages. Look at this, is all just destroyed, totally destroyed, chopped down and destroyed. These beautiful little bluebell flowers. All for money and greed. Okay. I've said enough. Look at, there's markings. Those red markings are over there, those poles. If you can see them, that's where turtles nest. At least they're protected. But the houses are going to go right up to the shore. Almost right up to the beach. This beautiful beach. This beautiful island. And this is okay. This is okay with everybody. But it's not okay with me. And it never will be. Bye for now. Peace.